Welcome to Gladly Strutting. Shoes, fashion, pre-loved shoes, pre-loved fashion, pre-loved shoes.
Yes, hello, welcome to Gladly Strutting, where we talk about shoes and a lot of shoes in this video. So today's video is really about all the luxury shoe wish list items that I had over the years that I accumulated maybe in the last couple of months. Mind you, I'm not meant to be buying shoes. We've already established this, but these ones have been on my wish list. If you've seen, I think I had a video in 2021. A lot of these were on there, and I shouldn't say a lot. There's only 3 pairs of shoes, but this is the most we're gonna do. Starting off with this pair of shoes, and what I realized with the 3 pairs that I have is that I was influenced in different ways from YouTube, from Instagram, and from a book. Imagine that. So this one is an Instagram influence. I already love these shoes. If you know your Louboutins from back in the day, these are the Ghildarc in the 120 with a bit of a platform. They lace up all the way, so you can see it's almost too much toe cleavage for, you know, the average Sally and the average Joe. So it's a cool ass shoe. I spoke about these in my Aquazura heel that I reviewed because they're quite similar, and I was like, should I get these or not? Well, I was influenced by a girl loves shoes on Instagram. She has these in a suede, and I was just like, mate, these are so cool, and I keep seeing them on Vestiaire Collective. This particular pair was on there for months, if not years, and I just kept looking at it. First of all, it was a size 40, and I don't do too well with Louboutins when I choose a 40. They end up being too big. Case in point is my recent purchase, my recent luxury wishlist purchase of the Pigalle plateaus that are they're stunning, but I got them in a size 40 and they're too big and I couldn't do anything about it. So I was like, okay, these I probably need to do with 39.5, and then sometimes a 39 is a bit too small, so I was like 39.5 might be the way to go. But I just kept looking at them, and a girl loves shoes. I even I put a comment in one of her posts when she had her suede ones, and I was like, you keep tempting me, and she's like, get them. So I took that as permission. I got these from Vestiaire Collective in a size 40, and you know what, because of the straps, it actually fits pretty well. So this is a 40. I have another Louboutin that's actually a 38.5, but we'll talk about it. Yeah, gorgeous. I love these. They're not for everybody, but they're meant to be for me. So I got them quite pre-loved. You can see, I don't know if you can actually see, but they're quite worn. Yeah, in a condition that's not perfect, but it won't stop me. Really love these. Looking forward to them. Alright, the next luxury wishlist shoe that was on my radar for such a long time, I actually saw in this book. This is the book called It's All About Shoes by Suzanne Middlemass. I hope I pronounced that right. So this book, she has another cover with a girl in a red furry coat with these pom-pom heels. So I saw that book in this store, the Sam Edelman pop-up store that I was working at years ago. And in between customers coming in, we would actually have a look at it. And we were on this page. And can you see from this, can you see which shoe I would have been obsessed with? Okay, I would have been obsessed with quite a few, but this shoe there, the white shoe, sorry for the glare and whatever, that shoe, I kept looking for this shoe. So then I was like, this shoe looks like a Gianvito Rossi, this shoe looks like an Aquazura, and of course I was searching Aquazura white scalloped pump, Gianvito Rossi white scalloped pump, and my gosh, I couldn't find these shoes. And then I was like, I think this was going on for years and years and years and years and years. Okay, it was going on for a while, and I was like, I need to find these shoes. So then I bought this book because I wanted it anyway. It's just, you know, fashion memorabilia shoes. It's all about shoes. That's my entire existence, right? So I bought this book and I was like, okay, I need to find a way to find these shoes. Lo and behold, my brain started working last week. It started working on the same day. I realized that you can Google, you can take a photo. So I took a photo of the shoes. You can take a photo of the shoes and put them on Google, and it'll show up with the shoes. So I did that, and then on the exact same day when I did that and I found out who the shoes were by, at the back of this book she actually has an index. I don't know if I'll be able to find it right now. She has an index that actually tells you, this shoe is by Bionda Castana. And I was like, who? Bionda Castana. So every single page of like this book, she will reference and say, yep, this shoe is this shoe by this brand. So on the same day, I found out through the book that I already had and through using Google that the shoe is by Bionda Castana. And on that same day, I was like, let me just, you know, browse the Preloved market. Let me browse the Real. Let me browse Vestiaire Collective. So I started on Vestiaire Collective and I typed in Bionda Castana white shoes, and they popped up one pair in my size. So here they are, lo and behold. Size 39, Bionda Castana, absolutely stunning. Okay, now it's worth pointing out the shoes are not in perfect condition. There's like a scarf, but you can't even see, maybe a little bit of a scarf there, and another one here, but relatively unworn, size 39. Now with my feet, it don't look that great, but I got my sister to try on. She's in the frame, not out of the frame, on the side over there. My sister with them sexy ass feet. So I got her to try on the shoes. I got her to try on the shoes, so you actually see the try on with her feet and you see how good they look. Yeah, but absolutely obsessed. That won't stop me from wearing them. I will wear them, okay? I will feel like fire, like a bomb in those shoes. Even though it might not look as good to other people, I'll be like, I have those shoes on. Absolutely obsessed. They're so classic, so beautiful. The silhouette is just absolutely incredible. So I am super gorgeous, right? These are your style. The first ones were not her style. Them Ghildarcs with the toe cleavage. Yeah, not your style, but this, absolutely gorgeous, stunning shoes. Really happy with these. Okay. Last but not least is a shoe that you've actually seen in the last few videos, and I've just mentioned it before when I was talking about the other Christian Louboutins. I got the black ones in a size 40 and they were too big, and I still love them, but I can't wear them. So if I had just been patient by like a month or two more, I would have found these. Look at these. Absolute gorgeous. Look at these. Oh my gosh. We got them. Okay, so let me try and put together coherent thoughts. So no, I don't have any. Okay, so this is the Christian Louboutin Pigalle Plateau in the potpourri, which is like the golden purple, whatever you want to call it. Can you see these shoes? I actually got my hands on these. Now, I can't remember where I get these from. Did I get these from Vestiaire Collective? Potentially. So yeah, it was Vestiaire Collective, because they were looking like the back of this wasn't looking too great, so I wanted to make sure that they're really authentic, and it was through Vestiaire Collective, and they authenticated them and they said, yeah, these be real. These were in a size 38.5. I saw them and I knew the 40 was way too big, but I was taking a risk by going for 38.5. I was taking a big risk. Anyway, I was like, you know what, if they don't work, we can find someone else who will want to buy them off us, because these shoes are absolutely unique, very incredible, very rare, and definitely a collector's piece. So I saw them and I was like, gotta get them. I'm trying to save up for a house over here. We just spent a lot of money on a wedding, and I'm still buying these crazy expensive spiked Swarovski crystal covered shoes. Don't tell my husband. Yeah, I got these shoes, absolutely love them, and they actually fit perfectly. Somebody explained to me how I fit in a 38.5 Louboutin shoe. Anyway, so I reckon like the previous owner must have like stretched them a little bit to make them fit, because my foot again is not that long, so I would probably fit like a 38, but they're wide. But it kind of works. Obviously we have like, you know, foot slippage on the sides, but I don't care. I'm in the shoe. I'm walking in the shoe. Not well, not great, because it's still quite a high heel, but absolutely obsessed. No regrets. If I don't buy any more shoes this year, fair enough, because I'm trying to save up for a house, but I'm actually okay considering how many shoes we have, but also just because of this video. These 3 pairs of shoes, luxury wishlist items, ticked off, and they've actually worked out. And I think I'm going to be more strict in terms of shoe purchases, even general purchases, starting now, because we've already made mistakes already in the year. We've already bought useless things, but starting now, obviously we've got big goals, but I will only buy things that are on my wish list. If it's not on my wish list, it goes on my wish list and sits there for a while, and I have to actually make sure it's something I want. This was also influenced, I forgot to say, this was influenced by what's her name, Soraya de Carvalho, I hope I pronounced right. She had a video like 5 years ago on YouTube where she was like 10 shoes every woman needs, and she actually had these shoes, and then I was like, what are these shoes? I was obsessed. And she actually had both the black pair and this one, and I almost matched her, but I got the black pair in too big of a size. I didn't need both of them. I really only wanted one pair, and I was happy to settle on whichever. But I'm very grateful, beyond grateful, that these actually fit me in a 38.5. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that? And they've got like a little coverage here, so pretty good condition. This is not so great, but it's fine. The heel tip is perfectly fine. I think it might have been replaced already, and then the sole is covered. So just look at this shoe. Just look at this shoe. Okay, you know the song, the I can't sing right now. You know the so this is love. Oh, are you singing in French? Damn.
It's actually Mandarin.
Oh, Mandarin. Oh, damn. Okay. I know my French versus my Mandarin. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.